Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to add money on your Google Play Store, then this video is for you. Actually, you cannot add funds directly in Google Play. Only thing you can do is you can add a payment method, your desired payment method that will be used as any type of checkout or payment on Play Store. So it will just take the money or take the currency or credit from your account, and it will use to purchase. You can use this credit to purchase anything from the Play Store. So for that, you have to simply click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Now you can find the payments and subscription from here. Simply click on it, and here you can find the payment methods. Now you can find add credit card or debit card, where you can simply click on it and you will be able to add your credit card or debit card. You have to add your card number, the expiry date, the month and year, and the CVC number that you will find at the back side of your card. Then the card holder name from here, then the billing address that are actually mentioned in the card or the account. So after adding all of this, you will be able to add your credit or debit card that you can use as a payment method on Google Play Store to purchase anything from this platform. So that's how you can simply do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.